Dina, and today I'm going to show you how to make a spinach and ricotta cheese sandwich. To prepare a spinach and ricotta cheese sandwich, you need the following ingredients. You need 1/3 cup of mozzarella cheese, you need Italian herbs, you need 2 pieces of toast or sourdough bread, you need 1/3 cup of thawed spinach, you need 1/3 cup of ricotta cheese, you need 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 1 crushed clove of garlic, half a cup of your favorite pasta sauce, 1 tablespoon of butter, and some salt and pepper. First, you need to turn on your stove on medium heat. Alright, then bring your skillet or your pan and put it on the heat. Then add your garlic, 1 crushed clove of garlic, with a little bit of olive oil. And just mix it a little bit to make sure that your garlic is being fried. After that, put the ricotta cheese in the bowl that has the fried garlic. Then add the spinach, the thawed spinach. Then add your Parmesan cheese, a pinch of salt and pepper, then your Italian herbs. Once you've done that and added all your ingredients, now you need to mix all the ingredients together. Then put your butter on one side of the bread, just like that. Make sure to smudge it all nicely. Last part, for that top part. Make sure you spread it evenly. And then on the unbuttered toast, go ahead and add your ricotta cheese mixture. Then put some mozzarella cheese on top of the ricotta cheese mixture, just like that. If you want it extra cheesy, put more cheese on it. Just like that. Then turn on your stove again on medium heat, and then put your pan or skillet, and then add some butter to the skillet, just like that. What you want to do now is make sure that both pieces of toast are buttered up. I'm just going to give it a second until this butter melts nicely. Alright, it's getting there. Alright, perfect. Then what you want to do is that you want to put both pieces of bread or toast in the pan so that each side can get buttered up quite nicely. And then wait until you start noticing that your cheese is melting. Alright, so now we're done with our sandwich, but before you eat it, what you need to do is to get your favorite pasta sauce, and mine is marinara sauce, and let's give this a taste. You're going to dip it in the pasta sauce. Alright. Mmm, very delicious. You guys should try it. And bon appetit.